my name is Stefano Sanidas, and today I want to talk about mapping objects. Specifically, since there is only one standard mapping type, today I want to talk about dictionaries. First, let's establish what is a mapping object. A mapping object, as the name implies, is an object that maps values, specifically hashable values, to arbitrary objects. Just as a quick reminder, hashable objects are objects that have a hash value, that is, a numeric value that uniquely identifies data, which never changes during the lifetime of the object. Now that we know what is a mapping object and a reminder of what hashable objects are, let's talk about the one standard mapping type in Python: dictionaries. Dictionaries work in key value pairs. Keys are almost arbitrary values that are hashable, meaning that non-hashable values cannot be used for a key. Now, the value part of the pair can be a hashable or non-hashable value without any issue. It doesn't have to be one or the other. Additionally, there are certain values of different data types that can be used interchangeably to index the same dictionary entries, such as the integer 1, the float 1.0, and the boolean true, all meaning the same thing in terms of indexing a dictionary. Now, there are several ways to create a dictionary in Python. The first one is using a comma-separated list of key value pairs within braces, such as braces, and inside having pairs such as the key, a semicolon, and a value. Then there's using a dictionary comprehension, which is related to a topic that we will see later on. And finally, there's the use of the type constructor. This can be done in several ways, as seen in the screen right now. First is the function dict parentheses, which just creates an empty dictionary. You can create it with some values already written into them, and there are two ways to write dictionary entries into it, as you can see from the examples on screen. Now, I want to talk about some important operations that can be done to a dictionary to view the entries. These are the functions dictionary keys, dictionary values, and dictionary items. The keys function can return a view of the dictionary's keys. The values function returns a view of the dictionary values. And the items function returns a view of the dictionary items, meaning it returns the key value pairs. However, it's very important to focus on the fact that these descriptions of these functions refer to returning a view of the dictionary's values, keys, or items, not necessarily returning a dictionary by itself. This is because in order to see the contents of a dictionary, this function returns what is called a view object. This is a dynamic view of the contents inside of a dictionary, which changes as the contents in the dictionary change. So for example, if a specific entry in a dictionary sees their value change with the same key, different value, the view object will also reflect this change.